And here's a table stick of Tango and Cash Jones Prawn. Just an interview son. So yep, interview. And here's a table stick of Tango and Cash Jones Prawn, December 22nd, 1998.
Of a lifetime. The faces. The moments. The magic. In the biggest event in Hollywood history. The Warner Brothers 75th anniversary celebration. And to commemorate 75 years of entertaining the world, Warner Brothers is proud to present the Warner Brothers 75th anniversary collection. Over 350 of the most cherished, most beloved movie titles of all time. Some beautifully remastered in special commemorative editions. Brothers 75th Anniversary Collection begins with award winners. Those legendary movie classics that not only achieved great box office success, they won our hearts. Like Driving Miss Daisy, Casablanca, Unforgiven, Cool Hand Luke, Yankee Doodle Dandy, and The Fugitive. So be a part of this historic event by starting your own Warner Brothers 75th Anniversary Collection. Look for special 75th Anniversary videos at stores near you. And be sure to check specially marked packages for valuable savings. Relive the magic, the memories, the moments that will live forever. The Warner Brothers 75th Anniversary Collection. Own it now. Available wherever video is sold.